Alright, so today I'm changing the front tires on the truck. I'll get the engine hoist out of the way. Oops. Now you can see what I'm doing. Now this, what I'm wearing, is my merch. If you want to buy some, hit me up. The shirts are $30 and the sweatshirts are $40. You pay what I pay. And they get delivered to your house. Why don't I have any air? The air literally just shut off. Oh, that's nice. There, now I got air. Someone shut the fucking air off. Now, doing this with a 6 lug, you take 3 off of each side and then you jack it up. That way it's just easier for you. Jack it up, take 3 off, and then put 6 on. That's one thing I hate about fucking air fittings. No matter what, they always fucking leak. I mean, I could put new pieces on there, but I don't have any to use. Oh, fuck. If anybody could hit me up with a jack, that would be amazing, because this jack doesn't like to work sometimes. And I could really use something that would actually lift cars. Because sometimes this jack does not lift. That's why I pulled the truck into the garage. Hopefully it'll lift off the garage floor. Because sometimes it drops down into the driveway. And then I'm fucked. Because then it won't fucking jack. Because it doesn't have any fluid. So, someone should hit me up with some jack oil. Hydraulic jack oil. Because then I could actually jack shit. Because that might be the problem, is I'm low on oil. Because if you guys watch this, yeah, it'll take a while. Not centered. God damn it. centered now. That's better. This lug nut's not tight. Because I seen the wheel move before I undid that one. That's pretty shot. Now, anybody who does this at home, do not use this to torque down your wheels, because this will over torque your wheels. That is probably why one of the studs, well actually a couple of the studs are bad. Because someone used one of these to torque down. these tires are not stock, but they are stock wheels. But stock wheels for this truck are 16-inch, and these are 17-inch. So right now I'm going to turn the wheel and see if it has clearance. And it looks like it does off the jack, or on the jack. That's not good. Alright, that has clearance on the jack, but doesn't have clearance on the ground. Okay, yeah, it's got clearance. Clearance. Perfecto. If anybody wants to know what I drink, 99% of the time. I did remember that. Whoops. If anybody wants to come hang out and drink some Mountain Dew with me, come on over. I will tell you, I drink a lot of these. I go through about 3 12-packs in about 3 days. And I do not have high blood pressure or high cholesterol. Someone should hit me up with some welding wire and some welding rods. Now, if someone's going to hit me up with welding rods, I need the thinnest kind. I don't know what size they are, but my welder is only an 80 amp inverter arc welder. But my other welder that I need wire for takes, hold on, I'll tell you in a minute. It takes 0.30 or 0.35 inch wire. I have both tips, so if you get 0.35 or 0.30, I can still use it. Now, this video is not sponsored by Mountain Dew. I wish it was, but I do love Mountain Dew. It's probably the only soda I drink. That truck looks so much better with fucking stock wheels rather than stock in the back and aftermarket in the front. But if you guys want me to burn these aftermarket tires off, they are shot anyway, so I will burn them off if you guys want me to. But the back tires that were on the truck are already slicks, so I'll burn them off first. And I'll do this in a video in the future. If you guys want me to burn off 4 tires, I'll do it. I'll be right back. shit. I guess the truck's leaking oil. Come on. I need to keep you out of the oil. So right now you're getting hooked right here. If anybody could hit me up with some Speedy Dry or whatever you call it nowadays for oil and spills, that would be amazing. Because I have absolutely nothing except cardboard to dry shit with. Natasha, what are you doing? Roof. You want to be a doggy show? Come here. Good girl. Give me a kiss. Hey, really? You got my clean shirt dirty. God damn it. I just cleaned this shirt. Easy. Good girl. Give me a kiss. Good girl. Now give me a paw. Good girl. Give me the other paw. Good girl. Get down. Good girl. Now you want to go upstairs? You want to show everybody how good you are at garage stairs? No, we're not going outside. Alright, go upstairs. Now everybody will be like, okay, what's your stairs look like? Because you just said that the dog's good at stairs. Go upstairs. Now, these are the garage stairs. They are the fold down ones out of the ceiling. And you guys would be surprised by my dog. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go up. Okay, come down. She does it all by herself. Really wish somebody could come over and help me organize this garage because I suck at organization, but I'm a great builder, so if you guys come over and help me organize, I'll build shelves all day long. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go on the couch. Also, if you guys want to see something I made this 2 years ago. And it's a piece of pipe. And it's welded around the bottom of the head. And I also filled the head with weld. I guess that's what you call it. But it works. And everybody says don't use a pipe for a handle because it'll vibrate. This handle does not vibrate. And I forgot to turn the breaker on so that my phone would charge while I was recording. So it's at 10% right now. That sucks. At least I got the charger right here. I really wish I had some welding wire or some welding rod because then I could build something. So this is a 4-pound hammer. And this is a 2.5-pound hammer. 2.5 pounds, 4 pounds. They aren't much difference. just bigger heads. And different shaped heads. But if you guys want me to take an old hammerhead and weld the pipe in it and make a really nice hammer out of it, bring it over. I'll do it for you. I do weld pretty nicely. For an at-home welder who's never went to school for it, I do a pretty damn good job. And I've had this hammer for about 3 years, and it hasn't hurt my hand once with the handle. I mean, yeah, everybody fucking smashes their fingers with the head, because that's just what you do. Oh, yeah. If anybody could hit me up with one of these with a net in it, or a net for this, I think this is a bigger hoop than usual, so I'll just measure it. I don't know what the normal size is, but this is 19 inches. So if someone could hit me up with a net, or one of these with a net, that would be amazing. And also a basketball, because I'd love to play basketball, but I don't have a basketball or a net, and a hoop without a net kind of looks shitty, honestly. And I don't like shit looking shitty. Natasha, what are you doing? You want some Mountain Dew? Oh, that kind of sounded wet. Might need to go wipe after that one. Oh, God, that shit stinks. You smell that? You smell that? Huh? You smell that? Huh? You smell that? Where did I put your leash on? It's over there. Alright, so yesterday I was using this, and the pin that holds the blade in literally broke, so now blades won't stay in here. If anybody could hit me up with one of these, preferably cordless, because I do a lot of cutting, and it's a pain in the ass if I gotta cut something out in the middle of the yard, because then I gotta run a lead cord. And it's just more nice with cordless shit. But I need one of these and a whole bunch of metal blades, because I cut a lot of metal. And this is the only blade I had. And I don't know if you can see that, but the blade is literally worn the fuck out. I don't even think there's any sharp teeth on it anymore. But also, I don't know how they measure these, but I need some hacksaw blades, because this thing is worn the fuck out. It's not even scratching my finger. And I'm going against the teeth. It's not even scratching the dirt off of my finger. That's pretty bad. But if anybody could hit me up with another one of these and some blades, that would be amazing. Because I have this one, which is kind of small, I think. It's just flimsy, and it likes to bend sometimes. And also this handle isn't the best. But I also have this one that the handle is really not that great on. And it's all rusted, and you can't move anything because it's so rusty. So if anybody could hit me up with some hacksaws, that would be amazing. Because I do a lot of hand work. But also, I would do a lot of work with this if it was cordless. And also, I don't know if these blades are changeable. I don't think it is. This one says superior warranted. I don't know. But if somebody could hit me up with some of these, that'd be amazing, because I do a lot of hand cutting, because I like hand cutting, and I don't have the tools for just going, just cutting shit. You know how everybody's got skill saws? I don't have one. So it would be amazing if someone could hit me up with skill saws, or a skill saw with some blades for wood. And I don't know if they make any skill saw blades for metal, but that would be amazing, because then I could cut sheet metal. But I'll link my address in the description. I wish I had more shit to talk about, but not till it gets warmer, because right now it's cold out and there ain't much to do because it's cold. But I am thinking about doing a mud run. That's what I want to call it, on my property. Maybe in the spring, or if anybody wants to come over and rip, come on over. I got 80 acres, and I got about 4 or 5 trails that go all the way through the property. And also, if you guys want, you can bring your campers and camp up on the property. Just bring a generator, because there's no power at the top of the hill, which is where the campers go. But there is plenty of firewood up there. But like I said before, if you want some merch, the shirts are $30 and sweatshirts are $40. This is the front and this is the back. Hit me up. I'll put my phone number in the description, or I'll put my email. Probably my phone number is better, because I don't check my email too often, and I probably have 4,000 emails in my email. And probably some of them are sponsorships, which I have looked for sponsorship emails, but I didn't see any. But if anybody wants to help me out with money, that would be amazing, because I would love to have food in my fridge. But right now, it's hard making money, because there's no jobs local that I can walk to, because I don't have a vehicle to drive to the job. And also, everywhere's around here that's local isn't hiring, because they have enough people working. So if anybody wants to hit me up with shit, also, I would love to have one of them bigger sledgehammers with the 3-foot handle. I think they're 5-pound heads. That would be amazing to have for pounding in steaks. And if anybody wants to help me out with a fence so that I can let the dog run free in the yard, that would be amazing. If anybody wants to come over and take measurements to see what they can do, come on over, or hit me up with a date that you can come over, and you can come over and measure the yard. But Natasha, you think that's a wrap? Say that's a wrap. No? Okay. Well, that's a wrap, guys. See you in the next video.